Hello YouTube, how are you doing? So it's around 7:20 sharp we were in the morning, straight from a run, and I got curious of with the way like I feel beat. I want to find out how many reps I can do 100 push-ups in. So I might not make it, but well, we won't find out. Rather, I won't find out until I do it. So here we go. I'm thinking if I'm able to do 25 for each rep, so those are 4, but for 25, all right, let's see. Yeah. Sorry about that. But at least, so I did 30 instead of 25. I think if I still have the energy, that's what I'm thinking. If I still have the energy, I can push an next round. So I have 70 to go. 70 to go. So that's a 20. Yes, 30 plus 20. So let's see the next 50. Tazifanya na how many reps? Do you think I still can do it in 2? But I failed to do it 25 to save myself on the next one. So I don't know. Let's see. That's 20, right? How many mesabu vibaya? That's 20. So 10 to go. 10 to go. But I feel already beat. It's great. It's not funny. that maybe I can do those 10 runs in 2 sets. Oof. That's 10. So yes, that's 100. God damn it. The first I did 30, the second one I did 20. Yeah, I did in 5 times. 5 reps. I thought I could do 4, but a win is a win. A win is a win. I feel like I should make myself do this like a challenge. Like I usually, due to my busy schedule, I only do physicals 2 days a week, so Saturdays and Sundays. So I run on Saturday, I walk on Sunday. I do 30 kilometers on Sundays. Then I run 5 kilometers on Saturdays, and maybe I could make sure whether I've walked or I've ran, I do 100 push-ups. Thank you for your time watching this. Yeah, Flowflani TV is a channel that you should subscribe to if you haven't. We do all kinds of things. We do walks, we do runs, we do music, we do behind the scenes. Oh yeah, and we do film. So if you haven't subscribed, this is your time. Finger your button. Yeah, work with that button. It will do wonders for you. Thank you very much. Until the next video, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself.